Guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's video we're going to check out how to generate profit and loss statements in Wave. It's going to be a quick one, so let's get into it. First thing you're going to do is to go to reports. That's in the left hand menu. Of course, it goes without saying you're going to have to log into Wave first, so you can do that on the app or you can do so on the official website. But once you're logged in with your credentials, just go to reports. You're going to find that in the left hand menu, and then you're going to click profit and loss. And then you're going to need to choose a date range, like last month, quarter, or you could just pick out a specific date. And once that's done, you're going to view total income as well as cost of goods sold and operating expenses. Now the bottom line shows your net profits or loss. You can use the filter option to view by customers or products if you need to do so. You can also click export as PDF or export as CSV to download and have a copy of this. And that's how to monitor your business profitability with just a few clicks. Up next, we're going to talk about how to generate a balance sheet in Wave, so stay tuned for that. That's pretty much it for this video, guys. Hope you liked it. Hope you found the information here useful enough. If you did, like the video, comment down below, let me know what you thought. Share the video with your friends and subscribe to the channel if you haven't done so already, and we'll see you in the next one.